Hi everyone, it's Bob Bank, and I'd like to talk to you today about one of the products we offer at Canna Devices, our Nectar Straws. Now, they won't get hot due to the rings that we put in the glass. Also, you won't burn your table or countertop when you set them down, and we've also added a little marble so that they don't roll away from you. Now, the idea behind these is that typically to consume your concentrates, you need a dab rig and a carb cap and a quartz banger. You definitely need a tool or some sort of dab tool to get your product out of the little glass container. So the Nectar Straw is the only tool that you need. It's like a one-hitter for your concentrate. Now to use it, you just heat the tip with a butane torch lighter for about 20 or 30 seconds, and you'll know it's ready to use when the tip starts to hold a little bit of orange glow. Now when it's ready, you don't want to stick it directly in the concentrate. You kind of want to push it around from the side and kind of touch it and gently inhale, and that's it. We came up with this idea as a way to make it easier for people to consume their cannabis concentrates and make medicating easier. Hopefully this device has helped you or someone you know, and thanks for your support and your time. Have a great day.